In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Zendesk Chat. If you're looking to have a little more control over when and how you engage with your customers through Zendesk, knowing how to disable the chat feature can come in quite handy. Whether you're doing some back-end maintenance or maybe just need a temporary break from incoming messages, this guide will lead you through the simple steps to turn off the chat function. First, head over to the admin center of your Zendesk account. You'll find that it's the centralized hub for managing all the different channels and settings you might need as you customize your Zendesk experience. In the admin center, you're going to want to focus on the channels section. Under this, look for messaging. Messaging is a vital area within Zendesk where you can control different facets of how communication is handled between you and your customers. Once you're inside the messaging section, the next step is to locate the Manage Settings option. This is crucial because it's here that you'll be adjusting the settings that define how your messaging and chat functions behave. Clicking Manage Settings opens up a range of options, but for today, we are laser-focused on just one specific part. Now, once you have the settings open, what you're looking for is a checkbox labeled Turn on Messaging for your account. You'll see this box is checked by default, indicating that chat is currently active on your account. What you'll need to do to disable chat is simply uncheck this box. When you uncheck this box, you're effectively pausing the chat functionality across your account, ensuring no new incoming messages will be received. After unchecking the box, Zendesk will likely prompt you with a confirmation dialog. This is to make sure that you indeed want to make this change, as turning off chat is a significant action that can affect how and when you interact with your customers. Carefully review the dialog to ensure it aligns with your intention to disable the chat service. Once you're confident about proceeding, simply confirm your choice. The final step is to save your settings. It's always important to remember that any changes you make won't take full effect until you hit that Save button. So, to finalize the process, click Save Settings. This ensures that your administration setup retains this change, effectively turning off the Zendesk Chat for your account. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to turn off Zendesk Chat. By going through these steps, you can easily manage when your team's chat feature is available, giving you flexibility and control over your customer interactions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.